The blue-ringed octopus is found mostly coral reefs around Southeast Asia and Australia. Bites are often painless, but the venom causes paralysis that can lead to respiratory failure. Australian box jellyfish, Chironex fleckeri. Their tentacles are up to 10 feet, 3 meters, long, and they have transparent bells measuring around 12 inches, 30 centimeters. Irukandji box jellyfish, Carukia barnesi. Geography cone snail, Conus geographus. Stonefish, Sinancia. Red lionfish, Pterois volitans. Flower urchin, Toxonius pilulus. Striped pajama squid, Sepialoidea linealata. Dubois sea snake, Apisurus duboisi. Several of these species are particularly dangerous to humans, such as the